In this video, we are going to see the types of PLC program. There are three types of program. The first one is ladder logic, the next one is functional block diagram, and the third one is statement list. You see, I am going to study the program to energize Q0, I1 and I2 and I3 and I4 should be satisfied. So here AND function is used. To energize Q0, all the four instructions should be satisfied. If you see this program, to energize Q0, I1 or I2 or I3 or I4 should be satisfied to energize Q0. Here OR function is used. Any one of the instructions should be satisfied to energize Q0. I hope you have studied about the logic gates. If you see the logic gates, generally it comes with 2 input and 1 output. The truth table of AND gate says if both inputs are true, it gives output. The OR gate truth table says if any one of the input is true, it gives output. For the same function, we have gates in the PLC program. The only thing is it comes with multi inputs. You see here AND gate with 4 inputs. The number of inputs will vary depends upon the programming software. I have an AND gate with this switch configuration. When it gives output at Q0, the AND gate should have 1 in all its terminals. So if I close the switch, 1 will come. If I close the switch, 1 will come. If I close this, 1 will come. Regarding this configuration, the dot says the input is inverted. So now the switch is in closed position. Here 1 is available. The inverted of 1 is 0. So in this situation, all of the AND gate inputs are 0. Here also 0, here also 0, because the 1 is inverted. So here 0, so here also 0, here also 0. So to get output at Q0, I have to close the switch. I have to close this one and this one. I have to open this one. If I open, here 0 available. The 0 is inverted through a NOT gate and 1 will come at this terminal. So it gives, the AND gate gives output at Q0. If you see OR gate, if any one of the switch closed or activates, it gives output. If I close this switch, 1 is present at the terminal, so it gives output at Q0. In this position, 0 is at the terminal because the 1 is inverted and 0 is available. So if I open this, 0 is available here. So the inverted of 0 is 1 is at the terminal of OR gate. So it gives output. Now we are going to see a programming software. This is the Cruiser PLC programming software. Has the both features. In this programming software, we can able to program in both ladder and functional block. You see, this is a functional block diagram with the same configuration we have seen. This one is open switch, this one is closed, this open, this open. Here also you see. Here I am using AND gate, here I am using OR gate. Regarding AND gate, all the instructions should be 1. So I have to close the switch. Here I have to open. Even though I open, it gives 1 at the terminal of AND gate because I inverted the input. So here 0, so the inversion is 1, so 1 is available. Here I have to close, then I have to close. So all the conditions are satisfied, so that it gives output. So if I dissatisfy any one input, it does not give output. So this is the AND function. So all the inputs should be satisfied. You see OR gate truth table is, if any one input is enough to energize a output. So either you give I1 or I3 or I4, or you open the I2. So any one condition should be satisfied to get output at the OR gate. These are the functions of AND gate and OR gate. Thank you. If any doubt, please comment and subscribe. Thank you.